Daily Active Balance BMS features intelligent series compatibility, reduces inventory needs, offers 3 battery series ranges, 4-8S, 8-17S, 8-24S. Automatically detects the battery pack series upon power-up. Built-in Bluetooth with companion smart app. High-efficiency active balancing with a peak current of 1000 mA. Industry-first support for up to 400A continuous current. Configurable 22,000 microfarads pre-charge and short-circuit protection. Easily handles heavy load startup. Comes with a complete set of accessories for easier installation and use. This is the battery pack's positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. For high vibration or humid environments, apply sealant at connection points. Next, connect the Sense harness. Note, ring terminals require user preparation and soldering. Connect the first wire, black, of the harness to the battery pack's negative terminal. Connect the second wire, blue, to the positive terminal of the first cell. Connect each cell in sequence. Connect the last Sense harness wire and the B+ wire to the battery pack's positive terminal. Note, if reducing the number of cells in series, do not short-circuit the extra wires. Insulate them individually with electrical tape. After wiring, verify the Sense harness connection is correct. Connect the black probe to B0, and the red probe sequentially to B1, B2, B3, B4. If the multimeter shows positive voltage increasing by each cell's voltage, the harness is connected correctly. Secure the P- output wire and B- output wire to the B- and P- terminals on the BMS. Connect the B- wire to the battery pack's negative terminal. Insulate the end of the P- wire with electrical tape. Insert the NTC into the BMS. Insert the sampling wires. Finally, insert the B+ wire connector into the BMS. The BMS does not require activation upon first power-up. The BMS status LED lighting up indicates it's operational.